16th. I'm here on Candlewood for my second team tournament of the year. Hopefully I'll get in some big fish for you guys.
Well, I'm gonna have some top water set up. I'm gonna do a very light, high-tech. I'm gonna do a buzz bait. I think we're gonna do a tube to round out the.
I like that idea. I really like that idea.
Light tube.
I'm gonna start off with the fluke, and I'm gonna slow it down with the Senko. If the wind picks up, I'll throw a little spinner bait. Keep it simple.
So hopefully, good luck to everybody. We'll start making our line. Boat one, if you just want to go out here, we'll start forming our line.
Fish.
Any size?
I don't know.
I'll go.
Coming up. Coming up. Okay.
Here we go. Lago?
Senko.
Senko?
Bad hook set on it. He's in the weeds.
You got it. He's almost out. Back in.
There he is.
Yeah. There we go. Nicely done.
Here we go.
Is that Senko again?
Senko.
All the way on the inside?
Yeah.
He hit that like on the inside.
Yeah.
Nicely done, dude.
Thanks.
You're on fire.
We're around inside edge, rocking weed.
Slow. I was really cadence. I think is so important.
Yeah.
That explains why they're not going to take top water. It's just getting past them.
Yeah. First cast switch. Was that big? It's all good. First cast. It was a good fish? How big? Looked like a little rat to me.
Now the way it was turning was
Yeah.
don't matter. I'm not going to know.
21 feet here. Fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Good
I don't know. I don't know. He's in the weeds. He felt small.
Drag kills me.
Yeah, but you know what? I might need you to bring me in there, bro. Yeah.
We have to tighten up that drag, dude.
Nah, I got light line on, dude. Take your time. See if we could change the angle up on them a little bit without horsing them. You see where I am, right?
Did you slap on?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Sure.
You don't know.
Well, we're in trouble. This is our third spot.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:30.
Tell them we're not in trouble.
We have 2 dinks.
Tell them we're not in trouble.
We're in big trouble, but we'll see if we can figure them out. If we get into some fish. Hopefully we'll get them. No, we're not giving up. But we are in trouble. Fish. Wow. Did you see how I caught that fish?
No.
I went and checked on the live well, so it was just sitting there and he f***ing hit it. Fish. Net.
Is that a fish?
It's a real nice fish. Dude, let's stay positive. It's a nice fish. He's coming up.
Yeah, I'm ready, babe. Don't lose that fish.
There he goes. Sizzle one.
That drag is killing me.
We got one shot at him. Right here.
Dude, it's not up.
No. Hit him. Yes. Yes. Never give up.
Away before we go in, see what you did.
Yeah.
There we go, big fish.
Where is he? I don't see him.
Hold on.
Yes. Ah. Never give up, baby.
You didn't think that was gonna happen, did you?
It's a freaking toad.
First thing.
Oh, don't horse him. Don't horse him. Don't horse him.
Here.
Rock wall paid off. Yeah.
It's fine. So I just grab a bag and go.
Yeah, it's fine.
Grab them now.
There we go. Bunker largemouth.
Lunker, yep.
Water. Lunk, paddle.
What number?
Yeah, it's in the boat. We'll get it. What number though?
5.
Boat 5. Lunker largemouth. 4.02. 4.02.
Yes.
Hemingway, you got it over there?
Yep. We're not even gonna place. Come on.
Okay, you still caught the fish.
Yeah. Wasn't a bad day.
Yeah.
Always fun to get out.
Total weight. $13.44.
Not bad, bro.
That's not bad.
Good work, boys.
Here we are, end of the day. It was 11:30ish. One of us, I won't say who, thought about going home. Said maybe we should go home early.
We decided to make a move, which is the lesson for the day. We wound up catching our limit. We started culling, wound up with 13.44, 6th place, pretty good. You know, would have liked a couple more big ones, but really pretty good day for us. It started off being rotten and it wound up being pretty nice. If you like what you see, like us, or what do you want us to do? Subscribe on, do something. You know what to do. Do it.